What's up guys, it's Prim and Mitch, and today you're about to see the most interesting video you've ever seen on our channel. There's a lot of noise when you do that. Anyways, we are going to be wrapping a mini fridge. So what I did for this one is I started off by removing the door. From there, it's pretty easy. It's a couple bolts up top, a couple bolts on bottom. We have all the hardware there, as well as everything we need for the install, which is our material, torch, and a squeegee, and a blade. So that's everything we need for the install. As you can see, in the front of the fridge, there are these metal bends here, which we're actually going to use those to our advantage. And that's where we're actually going to slit the material up front. So all this can be done in one piece. There's going to be no seams on it or anything like that. And it's just going to come out super clean. Then after we're done, throw the door back on, brand it up with C's Meal Prep, and then it's good to go. A lot of you guys ask questions of, can you wrap this, can you wrap that? So I guess this is the start of a new segment of, can you wrap that? So hopefully we can wrap this. Alright, so you see back there in the lovely Star Wars shirt, I have my beautiful assistant Johnnee. So while we get this thing prepped, he's going to do the final alcohol wipe on this thing. We're not going to be clay barring or anything like that because the fridge is not a car.
Just so you know. Just so you guys know, this is not a car. So
I'll explain to you now, this is not a car, this is a fridge. So we're not going to be clay barring it. Alright, so now we have to readjust this, make our line down the middle.
we're gonna set the center down so it can be our marker. Let us know that we took just enough on both sides.
Biggest thing to note on a surface like this, may not have as good of tack as say like a car or something like that. The main thing you want to do is don't stretch the material at all. Everything's gonna be set into place. As you see here, he's just kind of working it with zero tension, and that's the key to getting all these corners to hold and everything like that.
What do you do when you come to the corners?
So because they had that fold that we had talked about, basically you're gonna match the angle with your blade, and you're gonna split this material basically right at this corner so that each one can kind of fall where it needs to fall. So I'll show you here. So as you see, I laid down this side right here, and then you're gonna use your blade right in between this mark without digging into any of the paint or anything like that. Just a really soft kind of cut right here. And then you're gonna lift this, and then like a Christmas present, go back over top there, and then make that same trim. So as you see, that killed all the tension there, and you're gonna be able to work that line all the way down, and then trim that excess there, just to match that line. So the answer is yes, you can wrap a mini fridge. It was actually fairly easy with two hands. You can do it with one hand, with one. Alright, so the answer is yes, you can wrap a mini fridge. It was very easy. If you want to buy material for it, you can check out our website, premiumautostyling.com, and do it yourself. And why should they do this, Johnnee?
Because your credit score will go up, and you have a great looking fridge. And not only that, but you know, your basic white fridge just went to not basic white fridge to a nice what?
It was a black fridge.
Oh, why are you bringing race into this, bro? Be nice to fridges, because in high school they weren't that good looking, but you know, after they graduate college, turn into some grade A fridges.
Alright, so I think we're gonna be turning this into a series, so let us know what you want us to wrap next. While you're at it, go check out C's Meal Prep on Instagram, give them a follow, and start your meal prep plan today.